In this lesson, we will cover the following topics: importance of digital security, storing data, and using data to communicate. In this age, when both state and non state actors are very tech savvy, it is crucial for human rights defenders also to take measures to ensure their safety online. Digital security relates to the security of data stored in mobile phones, tablets, computers, and so on. It can be a challenge to ensure safety when you are in the field for a fact finding mission. However, a few tips can ensure your privacy and security. Storing data. The first concern in digital security for human rights defenders is storing data to ensure it is safe and secure. During a fact finding mission, several kinds of data is recorded. For example, you might record an interview of a victim using a mobile phone, or record videos, take photographs, take notes, and then transfer the files to your computer using a USB cable. How do you secure these files? You can use VeraCrypt, which is a free software to create hidden folders and then encrypt them with a very strong algorithm technology. This ensures your data is fully private and can be seen only by people that you want to share it with. Here are the broad steps to secure data using VeraCrypt. Install VeraCrypt from the link given in the text area. Transfer all the files from the phone in a VeraCrypt folder on a computer. Delete the contents from your phone. This ensures safety is not compromised, as it is easier for a phone to be misused compared to a computer. Using data for communication. Using the information you have gathered and sharing it with others is the next step in digital security. It is best to use email, messaging, call providers that use end to end encryption technology. Why? End to end encryption ensures that your data cannot be read by anyone except the recipient. The algorithms are so powerful that it is practically impossible for anyone to hack it. Messaging and calling software such as Signal, Wire, and WhatsApp use the end to end encryption protocol and are very safe to communicate important messages. For emails, use Proton Mail, which is also free and very secure. However, do not use Facebook Messenger, WeChat, and Gmail because these companies know what data you are sharing and that can cause problems for human rights defenders in Asia. We have reached the end of this lesson. You should now be able to understand the importance of digital security, use VeraCrypt to securely store data, and recognize the importance of end to end encryption technology in electronic messaging.